Yo, what is up guys, welcome back to the channel. And in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can share a YouTube video that starts at a specific time. A lot of people like to do this, so they don't want to share the whole entire video, but they want to share a specific part or make it start at a certain part as to not waste the person's time that they're sharing it with. So the process is very straightforward and simple. You have to do it on the YouTube app on your computer, or the website, sorry. So I'll just go ahead and click on this video right here. Okay, I'll just keep that video paused as to avoid copyright strikes. So the process, you have to go ahead here where it says share underneath the video, just click on share. The share box will pop up, and then you can see here it says start at. Right now it's on 0.01. So you want to make sure that you check that box, and then you want to select the timestamp where you want it to start. So if I want it to start at, let's just say 45 seconds in, you would select that, and then you can see at the end of this URL it says equals 45. That means that is going to start at 45 seconds, which is what we want. You would simply just copy that link. You can open up a new tab or share it to your social media such as Instagram, Facebook Messenger. But if I go ahead and open this video, it should start at 45 seconds. As you can see, there we go. It starts at 45 seconds, and that's all you need to do. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto this video and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.